Looking for an SUV that won't let you down in 2025? Whether you're hauling the family, commuting daily, or planning weekend getaways, reliability should be at the top of your checklist. In this video, we're counting down the 8 most reliable SUVs to buy in 2025, vehicles that deliver peace of mind, low maintenance costs, and long-term dependability. From compact crossovers to rugged full-size SUVs, these models have earned their reputation through real-world performance, high owner satisfaction, and strong reliability ratings. So if you're shopping smart and want an SUV that goes the distance, stick around. We've got the best of the best coming up next. This is Parth, and you are watching MotorNation. Starting up with the 8th position, taken by the Lexus GX. If you're looking for an SUV that's as tough as it is timeless, the Lexus GX delivers. Underneath the refined exterior is a body-on-frame beast with real off-road chops and the same bulletproof DNA as the Toyota Land Cruiser. At its heart is a proven 4.6-liter V8. Not the most modern, but one of the most reliable powertrains on the road. It's built to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal fuss. Whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising down the highway, the GX feels solid, smooth, and confident. It's also one of the few SUVs that manages to blend rugged capability with true luxury. Inside, you get high-end materials, comfortable seating, and all the tech you need without overcomplicating things. And when it comes to long-term value, the GX is a standout. These hold their resale value incredibly well, thanks to reputation, reliability, and real-world durability. In a market full of crossovers, the Lexus GX is a rare breed, built to endure, built to explore, and built to last. Taking the 7th spot is the Kia Telluride. It hasn't been around forever, but the Kia Telluride has already made a serious name for itself in the SUV world, and not just for its good looks. This 3-row SUV has proven to be surprisingly durable, with owners consistently praising its build quality and long-term reliability. From the start, the Telluride stood out with a premium feel that rivals more expensive brands. Inside, it's loaded with tech, comfort, and thoughtful design, making it feel like a luxury SUV without the luxury price tag. And with one of the best warranties in the business, Kia backs up that quality with real confidence. But it's not just about features. Year after year, the Telluride has shown consistency in performance, minimal mechanical issues, and high owner satisfaction. It handles daily driving with ease, hauls the family in comfort, and still looks sharp doing it. For anyone looking for a reliable SUV that blends style, value, and proven dependability, the Telluride is a no-brainer. Next up on the 6th place is the Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai has come a long way, and the Tucson is proof. Once seen as a budget pick, it's now a serious long-term player in the SUV game, backed by smart engineering and one of the best warranties in the industry. The Tucson shines with its 10-year powertrain warranty, a statement of confidence in its reliability. But it's not just about durability. It's also tech-forward and future-ready. Inside, you'll find a sleek, modern cabin with digital displays, intuitive controls, and all the safety features you'd expect in a much pricier vehicle. Hyundai also offers efficient hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, giving you solid fuel economy without sacrificing performance. And the ride? Comfortable, composed, and surprisingly quiet, making it a great daily driver that's built to go the distance. For anyone looking for a compact SUV that blends value, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind, the Hyundai Tucson is a rock-solid choice. Moving on to the 5th place is the Toyota Highlander. When it comes to long-term dependability, few SUVs have a track record like the Toyota Highlander. This 3-row family hauler is known for easily pushing past 200,000 miles, often with little more than routine maintenance. It's the kind of SUV that doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on what matters: reliability, practicality, and comfort. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or hauling kids to practice, the Highlander handles it all with calm confidence. There's a hybrid version too, which blends strong fuel economy with Toyota's reputation for bulletproof hybrid systems. And despite its durability-first mindset, the Highlander doesn't skimp on features. There's plenty of tech, safety, and space to keep modern families happy. If you're after a 3-row SUV that's as low drama and long-lasting as they come, the Highlander is a proven, no-nonsense choice. Coming on the 4th spot is the 2025 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 proves that you don't have to choose between reliability and driving enjoyment. It's built with dependable powertrains, above-average build quality, and a level of refinement that punches well above its price point. Inside, the CX-5 feels more like a luxury SUV than a mainstream one. Premium materials, clean design, and intuitive tech all come standard. But it's not just about comfort. Mazda's focus on driving dynamics gives the CX-5 something rare in this segment: sporty, confident handling that actually makes daily driving fun. Under the hood, the engines are simple, proven, and efficient, not overcomplicated, which helps when it comes to long-term reliability. Owners consistently report minimal issues over time, and Mazda's reputation for solid engineering keeps the CX-5 near the top of reliability rankings year after year. If you want an SUV that's built to last but doesn't feel boring behind the wheel, the CX-5 hits the sweet spot between longevity and liveliness. Taking the 3rd position is the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of those vehicles that's almost boring in the best way possible. It just works year after year. Known for being one of the most trouble-free compact SUVs, the CR-V has earned its reputation through consistency, smart design, and rock-solid engineering. Under the hood, it delivers excellent fuel economy, especially in the hybrid variant, which makes it a favorite among commuters and families alike. And while it's not flashy, the CR-V shines with a roomy interior, comfortable ride, and loads of practical storage. Honda also packs in impressive safety features and driver assistance tech across the lineup, which adds peace of mind on every drive. And when it comes to long-term ownership, this is one of those vehicles people drive well past 150,000 miles and still trust. If you're after an SUV that's efficient, reliable, and built to quietly outlast the competition, the CR-V is a smart, no-nonsense choice that delivers exactly what it promises. Moving on to the 2nd spot, taken by the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is what happens when you take Toyota's legendary reliability and wrap it in a luxury package. For years, it's been one of the most dependable mid-size SUVs on the road, offering a blend of comfort, quality, and long-term peace of mind that few can match. Inside, the RX is all about refinement. You get an upscale interior, a whisper-quiet ride, and the kind of smooth performance that makes every trip feel first class. Whether you go with the gas engine or the fuel-sipping hybrid, the RX delivers power with poise and rarely misses a beat. What truly sets it apart is its longevity. Owners regularly report RX models lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. It's the kind of SUV you can buy and hold on to for the long haul. No drama, just comfort and reliability year after year. For those who want luxury without the maintenance headaches, the Lexus RX is a top-tier choice that continues to set the standard. And finally, at the top of the list, we've got the Toyota RAV4. And honestly, no surprise here. This compact SUV has built its name on over a decade of top-tier reliability, with simple, efficient mechanics that just keep going. Whether you choose the gas version or the popular hybrid, the RAV4 delivers excellent fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and a driving experience that's solid, smooth, and drama-free. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to last. And it does. Toyota has kept the RAV4's formula smart. Reliable powertrains, user-friendly tech, and enough space to keep both commuters and small families happy. It's practical, efficient, and designed to run strong for 200,000 plus miles without breaking sweat. If you want an SUV that won't let you down, won't cost you a fortune to maintain, and will quietly handle your life for the next decade or more, the Toyota RAV4 is as close to a sure thing as it gets. And there you have it, our list of the 8 most reliable SUVs to buy in 2025. From tried-and-true models with bulletproof track records to newcomers backed by strong warranties and smart engineering, these SUVs prove that dependability doesn't have to come at the cost of style, comfort, or performance. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, off-road capability, family-friendly features, or all of the above, there's a reliable option here for every lifestyle and budget. So, which one would you trust for the long haul? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotorNation for more expert car reviews, comparisons, and everything automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.